Hey guys, so welcome back to the mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC JAMB network examination. So we are still on this topic called number-based system for under mathematics. So we have the first question to solve today from the past question. This is the first question. So this is question 1 and the first question. And we have under one question. You have this is the one I will solve for the class. I will solve this one for the class. Okay. I still have under one also that I will also give you as classwork. So we have under one here. So we have other one here. So it's almost the same question. So okay, this question is from white past question. I picked this one for white past question. Why this? The one I will be solving. That is for JAMB past question. So this question is for JAMB past question. So guys, thank you for visiting this class. Thank you for attending the class today. So I said in the group you must have your lesson notes and your pen with you. I think by now you have it with you. Now let's dive to the class. So if this is the first time watching my video or you find this video on our social media, either our YouTube, our Facebook, our TikTok, I will do it to subscribe, like, or turn the button in case what we are benefit like this. You definitely be the first one to find. And also if you are watching off of Facebook, follow and share with your friend, like and follow and share with your friend. Also the same thing as TikTok. Now let's dive to it. So if you see this question on the first time, this forthcoming examination, so how we attend to this question? Okay, how we solve to this question? How tend you solve this question? Now let's quickly dive to it. Since it is JAMB question, I will give you the simple trick to solve this question. Okay, very easy trick to solve this question. I think I've explained it yesterday. Okay, when you have a question like this, we have a 3-make conversion in number-based system. We have the one for order base to base 10 and for base 10 to order base, and the last one which is for order basis to another basis. Now we have the question here now. So what type of conversion is this? Here we have a base 7 and here is to convert to express this one in base 7 is to express 4 1 3 in base 7 in base 5. So we want to express this is a base 7 to base 5, and here we have the option. So how to solve this question at the first place? Now this is for order base to another basis. Okay, so this place now we are converting from base 7 to base 5. Now how do you do that? To convert from base 7 to convert for order base to another base apart from base 10, you first of all convert the given question to base 10. The given base you convert to base 10, then you convert it to the what you are looking, the base you are about to solve. Okay, so means that you first convert this one to base 10. Okay, so how this convert to base 10? Yesterday I explained how you can convert any given question to base 10. I said that we used a special method and also explained the number binary code for it. It's a very simple trick for it. So I'll be using the very simple trick to solve this problem because of the length of the class. I don't want it. I don't this class. I want to try to limit the length of the class. So since you understand yesterday class, so this thing will help you a lot when you're dealing with JAMB. Okay, because you need a very fast method to solve it because time is running after you. Okay, so let's dive to it. Now to solve this question now, let's write it out. You convert it to base 10. So means that let's look at a solution. So when you convert to base 10, we have a 4 1 3 in base 7. So the first thing you convert to base 10. So now we're using the number base code. So whenever base code for base 7, it will be first of all you always write 1. That's the first code. Now the second code, because we're working towards base 7, it will be 7 multiplied by this 1 we get here. That's equal to what? 7. Now to get the next code now, you multiply this number by the base, which is 1. That's 7 times 7, that's equal to what? 49. Now to get the next code, you have to multiply it by 7 again. That's equal to what? 343. As soon as you have another number there like that, you still get to the last digit. But this one now we have, how many digits do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. That's 3 digits. So we only need this 3 code, because the 3 digits we have in a given question. Now how do you apply it? Let me write it out. We have 4, we have 1, we have 3. Okay, they are all in base 7. Now the code in base 7 is equal to this. Now the first thing here, it means that this 3 is multiplied by 1, the first code. The second code, we have 7, it means that 7 is multiplied by this word 1, and the next code is 49, so it means that 49 is multiplied by this word 4. So if we should express it out, it will be equal to, that is about 4 multiplied by 49, okay, plus the second one, that is 7 multiplied by 1, plus next one, that is 3 multiplied by 1. I get now. So let's do the simple mathematics here now. So that we equal to 4 times 49. 4 times 49, we have 196 plus 7 times 1. This one is 7. Let me try to write it right. 7 times 1, that is what? 7 plus. And we have 3 times 1, that's equal to what? That is 3. So when you add it together, that is equal to 196 plus 7 plus 3. That's equal to 206. So therefore, we have 206 in base 10. So it means that we have converted this number in base 7 to base 10. This 413 in base 7 is equal to 206 in base 10. Then since I've converted to base 10, you get 206. Now the next step here is to convert from base 10 to the base you are working after. That is base 5. Now, when you're converting from base 10 to other bases, you know that we are using what? Division method. Now, how do you apply that division method? So let me just give a space more so we can have enough space. Okay, let me just give it a space more. Now, it will be equal to, we are converting this one to base 5 now. I said we use division method. So in this place, let me write the answer we get here. That is 206, okay, divided by, you use division, divided by what? By 5. Okay, because we're going to base 5, so you have to divide it by what? By 5. Now, since you have divided by 5, so you can use the calculator. 5 divided by 206. If you use the calculator, it will give you in decimal points. So 5 divided by 206, we have for 41.2. Now you write the 41, which is the whole number. So what will be your remainder? You can't say remainder is 2. No. How do you get your remainder? To get your remainder, when you use the calculator, to get your remainder, you have to multiply this whole number here, that is 41, multiplied by the base. That multiplied by the base, that will give us what? That is give us 205. That's what you get when you multiply it by this. So when you subtract 205 from 206, that will mean that it's remainder 1. So we have what? Remainder of 1. I get now. So now the next one also, you still have to divide it by 5 till the last, till you get 0. So we have 5 divided by 41. That goes what? It gives us, if you calculate, we have 8.2. Okay, it gives us 8.2. So you write this whole number, that is what? 8. So what will be our remainder now? So remainder is not 2. So get your remainder, you have to multiply 8 multiplied by the base, that is 5. 8 times 5, that's give us what? So 8 times 5, that will give you us 40. So you have 40. Now, if you subtract 40 from 41, you have what? 1. Okay, so it means that's remainder 1. So this one is remainder of 1. So now, next thing here is divided by what? 5. How many 5 can you see in 8? That goes what? 1 times. So remainder of what? That is 5 times 1. That is what? 5 minus 8. That's remainder of 3. So this one remainder of 3. Now we have what? 5 again until remain 0. So 5 divided by 1 is not possible, so write 0. So what will be your remainder? The remaining here, since 5 cannot divide by 1, it's 0. It's not possible. So the digit here, the number here is what we write as a remainder. So we have what? Remainder of 1. So when you want to write it now, you write from down to up. You have a down to up. So the answer will be equal to, we have write down for up, we have 1. Okay, the next one, we have 3. And we have next one of 1. We are next on 1. So the answer is equal to this in base 5. So this is the answer to this problem. So the option is option A. So A is the answer to this problem. So that is how you solve this, guys. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to subscribe, like, also the button in case what you have benefit like this. So let's dive to the 7th question as a class work for today. So go ahead and solve the question that relates to this. So this is the question that related to this. So solve it and submit it within 30 minutes after this class. So the phone number here, if you are not yet joining us, submit to the phone number here. I'll call the phone number now. We have 090. Sorry, this one is 0. Let me write it here. 0906132 1656. Submit the class up to this number on WhatsApp. So guys, if you enjoyed the class, don't forget to subscribe, like, or turn your button in case what you have benefit like this. Thank you, and let's move to the next question of today's class.